Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove an address from your Saks Fifth Avenue account. If you don't have a Saks Fifth Avenue account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Address Book. Now you will see the list of your addresses. Click on the Delete button under the address you wish to remove. Then a pop-up message will appear asking if you're sure to remove the following address from your address book. To continue, click on Yes. That's how you remove an address from your Saks Fifth Avenue account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.